Hi, I'm Mariah Rufer, the Lakes Program Coordinator for R&B Environmental Laboratories. Today we're going to go through the trip preparation process for collecting lake samples. The tests we do are sensitive, so it's very important to follow proper procedures to get accurate results. Credible results are important for a number of agencies and organizations. R&B Lab provides the sampling kits at no charge for participation in our lakes monitoring program. A single kit will be in a smaller cooler. A double kit will be in a larger cooler. The kit you receive will be tailored to your monitoring program. Let's go over the components of your monitoring kit. Typically, lake monitoring in the southern half of the state will be using a 1-liter amber bottle for chlorophyll A analysis. And typically in the northern half of the state, you'll be using a 2-liter amber glass bottle for your chlorophyll A analysis. If you are testing 2 or more lake sites or have been chosen to complete a quality control duplicate, your kit will contain 2 or more sets of supplies. Your kit will have an amber glass bottle, a plastic phosphorus bottle, a vial of sulfuric acid, a Ziploc bag of paperwork, and an ice pack. The first thing you do with your cooler when you get home is fill the ice pack with tap water and put it in the freezer. Remember, when sampling in the summer months, you'll need extra ice in your cooler. Make sure you put your ice in a sealed Ziploc bag so the water doesn't leak or spill in your cooler. You'll also need your 2-meter integrated sampler. Make sure your sampler is clean by visually inspecting it. A dirty sampler could contaminate your sample and throw off your results. If your sampler is dirty, please see our equipment care video for instructions on how to clean your sampler. An integrated sampler can be purchased from a number of suppliers or from R&B Environmental Laboratories. And don't forget your Secchi disc. If you don't have a Secchi disc already, please contact the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency's Citizen Lake Monitoring Program. Prior to sampling, fill out the bottle labels with the lake name, site ID, sampler's name, and date. You will wait to fill in the exact collection time until you're out in the boat collecting your sample. Fill in the basic information on the sample data chain of custody sheet: lake name, organization, Minnesota Lake ID number, sampler's name, and sampling date. Please follow all boating guidelines and safety guides when heading out on the lake to collect a sample. Have enough life jackets in the boat for everyone. Though sampling can be done by one person, it's easier and safer to sample with another person. If you're sampling alone, tell someone where you're going and when you're expecting to be back. Attempt to take all samples, rain or shine, on the scheduled monitoring days. However, if the weather conditions are dangerous, reschedule as soon as you can to the original date and make note of it on your data sheet. A lake map can be printed by using our Lakes mapping tool or by contacting R&B for assistance. Locate your sample site using the map in conjunction with a GPS unit or depth finder and landmarks. Make sure you've dropped an anchor. If sampling in shallow water under 20 feet, try to let the anchor down slowly so you don't cause a sediment plume. Take note of landmarks on all 4 sides of you and make a note of them for accuracy in finding your same site for future sampling. Store this info in a safe place so you can use it on your next scheduled sampling date. Please complete the following readings in the listed order: recreational suitability, physical conditions, total phosphorus sample with a 2-meter integrated sampler, chlorophyll A sample with the 2-meter integrated sampler, and the Secchi disc reading. And now you're ready to start sampling. Thank you for doing your part and volunteering to monitor your lake. If you have any questions or need any further information, please contact R&B Environmental Laboratories. See you on the lake!